Hello everyone. I created this set. Look, it is so freaking dope, so pretty. I know you'll love it. So, if you want to see how I got this look, stay tuned. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get into it. So for this nail set, you're going to need some press-on nails, of course, nail foil. You're going to need some Loctite, which will help hold your nails to the nail stands. You need nail stands. And you'll be needing some rhinestone gel or glue, whatever, and some micro crystals, as well as gel nail polish, base and top coat. Very important. You'll be needing some foil gel. So I just want to shine a quick spotlight on my nails that I'm wearing in this video. They are called FRENCHIE and they're on the website for order. So go ahead and grab you some, girl. Now, you may have already peeped that I went ahead and started buffing out the nails. They're already on the nail stand, so I'm just doing the thumbs because they're bigger, so it's easier to see what I'm doing. I'm just making sure that I use the file to buff it out, use the buffer to buff it out. Just, you would really want to take that shine away from the nails. If you have a shine still on your nails, the gel polish is not going to stick. It's going to come off and it really just defeats the purpose. For long lasting nails, you need to do this step and take your time, do as much buffing as you think you need to do. Don't skip it. Now I'm just taking some base coat and I'm applying it to all of the nails. You just want to make sure that you add base coat. It's important. I don't know what else to say about it. After you apply the base coat, you do want to make sure that you're curing it for 60 seconds. I cure all of my stuff for 60 seconds, basically. So whenever I apply like a polish, a foil gel, or whatever, it's going to be cured for 60 seconds. And now I'm applying my gel nail polish to the corresponding fingers that I want to apply it to. And you'll see why I'm doing it that way in just a second. So I painted them and I'm just going in with a quick second coat. This just adds better coverage. It looks way nicer. So make sure you add a second coat to your nails. Now, using the foil glue, you basically just want to use it as regular nail polish. It really just feels that way. So I'm adding it to all of the nails except for the pinky because I decided that I wanted to add foils to all of the nails except for the pinky. So I'm cutting out some of the, I guess, shapes because I don't want to use the whole thing over the whole entire nail. Like, I just want the L and the V. Then I'm taking my snake print foil and I'm putting it on the nail. Now this nail has already been cured for 60 seconds and you can see because the foil just goes on there so easily. All you have to do is rub it a little bit, boom, it's on there and you're good to go. So now I'm just putting glue over like the pinky nails. And this doesn't have to be super neat. That's one thing that I love about micro gems because it's so easy to put on. Like you can just put it anywhere. Boom. Look at it. So easy. Now I'm just taking some top coat and I'm putting a layer over the rest of the nails. The pinkies are curing right now for 60 seconds, so just go ahead and be useful during that time. Next is a very important step. You really want to make sure you go back in and file the nails back into the shape. Sometimes when you're putting on so much like gel polish especially, your nails will lose the shape that it had. So you just want to go back and define everything and make it more sharp, I guess. And just make it more defined, make it pop more. Now I'm just going to take a little alcohol pad and I'm going to wipe off that dust from the nails because I'm going to put one final top coat on the nail and you don't want that dust to kind of be like trapped into it. Again, you just want to add some top coat and let it cure for 60 seconds and you're good to go. Look at that. That is perfect. I love it. And I hope you do too. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Thumbs up this video, and I will see you guys next time because that's it. We done. But thanks for watching.